Dinkas grabbed Maban territory. Now, the retention of Dinka tribes in Maban area remains an issue. You guys, since we got the independence of our country, which is South Sudan, we have been fighting against one another, not against different countries. This means the president and the vice presidents are helping their communities. They're helping their tribes to access the weapon so that they can have power and control us, control Maban. And this is what they have been doing. They've been isolating Maban and the other tribes. It has been a gradual process. And now they grabbed Maban territory in Upper Nile State. In this case, South Sudan, in the future, I believe we will have no agreement among us. Like Sudan People Liberation Movement,